In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact seller support help in Amazon Seller Central 25. Whether you're a new seller or an experienced one, navigating Seller Central might seem a bit daunting, especially when you need help. But don't worry, by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to reach out for the support you need on Amazon. So let's get started. First, head over to the Amazon Seller Central homepage. This is your main hub for managing your seller account, where everything begins. So open your web browser and type in the URL for Seller Central, which will take you straight to the login page, provided you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar dashboard with all its options. Next, you want to look for the Contact Us button. This can often be found at the bottom part of the homepage, where Amazon places links and options for user support and resources. Clicking on this link will open up a new page dedicated entirely to helping you find the right assistance for your queries. Once you're on the Contact Us page, you'll see a couple of options. Look for the option that says, I am an Amazon selling partner. This is the link specifically for sellers like you who are already part of the Amazon selling community. If you click on it, Amazon will better direct you to the resources and support specific to sellers. Now, if it's your first time selling on Amazon, or if you're still getting familiar with it and you decided to click the option saying, I am new to Amazon, don't worry. Amazon provides a different set of resources tailored for new sellers to help guide you through the setup and foundation of starting your journey as a seller on the platform. Once you've navigated these options, Amazon will prompt you with a few quick questions. These are designed to tailor the support experience to your unique needs. Simply answer these queries as best as you can. They're not exhaustive or too complicated, usually covering basic information about your selling activities and possibly your business details. After you've done that, you'll be asked to provide some details and documents. This part is crucial as Amazon uses secure measures to protect your information while ensuring that they can assist you properly. Make sure you have everything they might require, such as identification and business verification documents, on hand to streamline the process. Finally, once you've supplied the necessary details and completed the questions, you'll undergo a verification process. After successful verification, you're all set to continue your journey as an Amazon seller with the enhanced ability to contact seller support whenever you need that extra hand. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to getting the support you need in Amazon Seller Central. Navigating this platform can be complex, but with the right guidance, you'll have more peace of mind. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you in managing your Amazon seller account more efficiently. Till next time.